sometimes y'all can be a little bossy. And I don't think you understand what it goes into, like, editing a video or creating it of quality, especially me, because quiet as it's kept, most of the videos I've posted in the last 6 months were made 2 or 3 years ago. Why? Because I'm healing, right? But this is still a vehicle for my business, okay? Absolutely. Never forget what you're on social media for as a content creator. You are either influencing somebody to purchase something else or showing your product off. If that's not what you're doing, it is a hobby, and stop sweating the numbers. Just have fun, boo. But for this reason, I'm going to show you the behind the scenes video of me just editing something quickly that I already posted. And both of them were posted lazily. Well, actually not lazily. Pretty decent quality and all. But it shows why you should do quality content the first time, but also what all it entails when we go behind the scenes and we edit things. And never mind you that I had to edit this to show you this. Stay tuned. This is a new one. It definitely works. You have a good one, baby. Good morning. I just gotta know. It's over, y'all. If you gotta know. It's over, y'all. Good morning. Okay. I just gotta know. It's over, y'all. If anybody is concerned, yes. I just gotta know. It's over, y'all. I just gotta know. It's over. I just gotta know. It's over, y'all. 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 If anybody is concerned, yes. Even if you take all the form off the banana, it will grow. Doing it the lazy way. Good morning. Doing it the lazy way. Good morning. Okay. So that's to be to the. Good morning. Okay. So that's to be to the Sunday. Good morning. Okay. Okay. So that's to be to the Sunday. But I just wanted to show you this. Hold on. But I just wanted to show you this. Hold on. This is new. This is a new one. Have the scene? This is a new one. It definitely works. You have a good one, baby. Good one. It works. You have a good one. You have a good one, baby. I just gotta know. It's over, y'all.